How to know the difference between love, infatuation and lust. Whether you're in a relationship already or admiring someone from afar, sorting out your feelings for someone can be a real challenge. While there's no clear, foolproof way to make the distinction for someone else, you can at least make the distinction clearer for yourself. Follow these steps to know the difference between love, infatuation, and lust, and remember to be honest with yourself. 1. Consider whether you are treating your subject of interest as a person or a thing. Regardless of their faults, you care for this person. You are determined to remain a unit even in the most trying situations. Even if the truth doesn't suit you, you can be completely honest with this person and know that they will still love you. 2. Determine your level of security. You are ready to make a lifetime commitment to your spouse because you are confident that they will support you no matter what. 3. Consider how long the relationship has existed. You have had a lengthy relationship with the individual and find it difficult to envisage life without them. You want to spend time getting to know the individual better and want to learn everything there is to know about them. 4. Investigate your thoughts about the other individual. You can't wait to share an amusing workplace incident with your companion. On the other hand, perhaps you've had a negative experience and need to talk to someone who will relate. You might be in love if your significant other is the first person you think of when you want to express your deepest feelings. You regard each other with respect. 5. Consider your approach to conflict. When you and your partner disagree, you keep trying to come to an understanding until you do. Your dedication to one another cannot be questioned, and you value your partner's willingness to tell it like it is even when it hurts. 6. Think about how you feel about continuing the connection. You feel at ease and a strong sense of trust with your companion. In the sense that getting married or moving in together feels natural because life is better with them, they should feel like your spouse. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.